Very beautiful morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. In our last classes, we were in adjectives. In our last recent class, we were studying adjectives, degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Let's revise that chapter again. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive is used when no comparison is done. Example: Meeta is tall. Comparative is used when comparison between two things or person is done. Example: Meeta is taller than Neeta. Superlative is used when we are comparing more than two persons or things. Example: Meeta is the tallest girl in the class. We can form comparative and superlative degrees by adjectives in the following ways. First is by adding er and est to adjective in positive degree. Example: tall, taller, tallest. Second, changing y into ier and iest in case the adjective ends in consonant plus y. Here example is heavy, heavier, heaviest. Third is doubling the last consonant and adding er and est when small words end with a single consonant. Example: big, bigger, biggest. Fourth, by adding more and most. Example: boring, more boring, most boring. Some adjectives do not follow these rules and form comparative and superlatives by changing into a completely new word like good, better, best. Let's move to the next chapter. Chapter 11, Articles. Read these sentences. I saw a bird. The bird was sitting in its nest guarding an egg. The words a and the are articles. There are two types of articles: definite and indefinite. A and an are definite articles. The is the definite articles. A and n are indefinite articles. The is called the definite article. Articles a and an means one. A and an are placed before countable nouns in the singular number. Examples: a boy, a bag, an egg, an aunt. We don't put a or an before uncountable noun. Give me a sugar is wrong sentence. Give me an she has an intelligence is also wrong sentence. We do not put a or an before uncountable nouns. Use of a: we use a before word beginning with a consonant sound. We use a, you can say a, we use a before words beginning with a consonant sound. Whenever any word begin with consonant sound, then we use a. Meena is a student. Mohan is a batsman. We also write a one-eyed dog. Since O is one, is pronounced as W in one, a consonant word sound. You can see this word is pronounced as one, W and one. Its sound is coming as W and it's a consonant. That's why we use a before one-eyed dog. Now next is we write a utensil. This is because the U is utensils is pronounced as U, utensils, a consonant sound, utensils. That's why we always use a before utensils. Now next is uses of an. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Examples: I have an apple for breakfast. I saw an eagle flying. We also write an honorable man, since O is pronounced as O, a vowel sound. This all is a, you can say it depends on sound. Where you can see H is consonant, but H is consonant, but the pronunciation of this word honorable is coming O, a vowel sound. That's why we are using an. Now let's move to the next page. Here, before A is used with countables and singular noun beginning with consonant sounds, and an is used with countables and singular nouns beginning with vowel sounds. This is a important part that you have to keep in your mind. Exercise A, fill in the blank with A or an. Here you have to fill in the blanks with A or an. Now, an interesting book, a one-eyed monster, a European friend, an honorable judge, an intelligent boy, an Indian soldier, a user-friendly computer, an English teacher. Next, fill in the blanks with A or an. Put cross where neither A nor an is required. Now, here you have to put A or an. If A or an is not required there, you have to put this sign. Now, iron is dash useful metal. Iron is a useful metal. Next, please give me dash slice of bread with butter. Here what dash idea you have in your mind? What an idea. I have dash boiled boiled egg for breakfast every morning. Fourth, I have boiled egg for breakfast every morning. A boiled egg. On my way to the museum, I met dash European tourist. What will be the answer here? Can you give me dash 100 rupee note? I love dash Indian music. I love Indian music and Indian music. None of them will come. That's why we will put cross here. I love Indian music is a correct sentence. I love Indian music. Number 7th, Jyoti left dash hour ago. Exactly an hour ago. Now, article. We use a or an when we mean any person or thing. The is used when we mean a particular person or thing. Give me a pen, any pen. Give me the pen laying on the table, a particular pen. For any person or thing, we use a or an. For a particular person or thing, we use the. For any person or thing, we use a or an. For a particular thing, person, we use the. Fill in the blank with a, an or the. Put cross where no article is required. Honesty is, what will be the answer? Honesty is a great virtue. Number 2nd is, Seema arrived an hour ago. Dash park in front of our house is huge. The park. I want dash new doll. What will be the answer? A new doll. Let's move to the next page here. Now, number 5th. dash doll on the shelf was a gift from mother. What will be the fifth? The doll, because we are talking about a particular doll. Now, dash river flows into the sea. What will be the answer? The, because we are talking about the particular river. Now, teacher has asked us to write dash essay on our daily life. Here an essay. Number 8, dash essay that I will write will have 400 words. What is the right answer? The essay, because we are talking about the particular essay. Now, let us learn something more about a, an, or the. We use a or an when we speak of a person or thing for the first time, but when we speak for them again, we use the. A man came to our school. We write a before man, because he could be any man. The man wanted to meet our principal. Now, the man is a particular man, the same man we were talking about in sentence. First, at times, even when we have not used a noun earlier, it is very clear what we are talking about. In such cases also we use the. Examples: the television is switched off. We know which television. The window of the bedroom is broken. We know which window and which bedroom we are talking about. This means that a, an is used for speaking of a person, thing for the first time. The is used when we speak of them afterward. Have you understood that when we are talking about a particular thing or person, then we can use the before the person or the thing, which we used earlier. Here you can see, a man came to our school is the first sentence, and the second sentence is the man wanted to meet our principal. Why? Because we are talking about the particular man. Here we are not talking about, here we are talking about any man. I hope you understood. This means that an is used for speaking of person, thing for the first time. The is used when we speak of them afterward. When the speaker and the listener know which person, thing is being talked about, we use the. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Now here you can see, I gave dash book to Hari. Dash book is about Sindbad. I gave a book to Hari. The book is about Sindbad. Now, second is, Jyoti bought dash egg sandwich and dash bottle of orange juice. Dash sandwich was tall, but now move to the next question. Second is, Jyoti bought dash egg sandwich and dash bottle of orange juice. Dash sandwich was stale, but dash juice was delicious. So, what will be the right answer? Can you tell me that? Jyoti bought an egg sandwich and a bottle of orange juice. Now we are talking about particular sandwich. The sandwich was stale, but the juice was delicious. They are going to shift out to dash new house. Dash house is near dash highway. They are going to shift a new house. The house is near a highway. He injured dash left eye. in dash accident. He injured the left eye in an accident. Next is dash school organizes its annual function in December. The here we use the because we are talking about particular school. Now here we are in the next page. 6th dash one-eyed dog was barking. Dash dog was also chasing some naughty children. Here what will be the answer? The one-eyed dog was barking. The dog was also chasing some naughty children. Now here we will read now this topic. Use of the. The is used with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges. Examples: the Ganga, the Ganges, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. The names of well-known buildings. Examples: the India Gate, the Taj Mahal. The names of holy books, newspapers. Examples: the Gita, the Quran, the Statesman. The names of trains, ships, aeroplane. Examples: the Rajdhani Express, the Orient Express. The names of some countries. The name contained a common noun. Examples: the United States of America, USA. The United Kingdom, UK. Contain the common noun states. Common nouns, states, kingdom. These are common nouns. That's why we are using the. We also use the with superlative degrees like the highest peak, the most intelligent student. We use the in such phrases as the first, the last, the next, the only. Example: he is the only son. That was the last time we met. Here, the is not used with the following: with proper nouns, the Sonali Sharma, the India, with uncountable nouns that name materials, the sugar, the iron, name qualities, the honesty, the innocence. It is wrong. But we use the with such nouns when they are made particular. I need sugar for making tea. No article with sugar. Here we are not using any article with sugar. Please pass me the sugar in the jar. One is talking about particular sugar, which is in the jar. Hence, the sugar. Insert the in the following sentence wherever you think it is needed. Here, this exercise you have to do by yourself. One is for your assignment. Insert a and the wherever it's necessary. Put a cross where a, an or the is not necessary. Hint: there are 6 blanks where you should put. Okay, this one is also for your assignment. So that's all for today's class. Now move to the today's assignments. Here is your assignment. Complete exercise E and F from page number 52 and 53 by yourself. And second is do more practice of chapter 11 articles. Write 2 pages of your cursive handwriting book. So that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.